P Prime.
This banga nagbedu.
Hey.
So many girls for the book.
Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Majo, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. If you are new to the channel, I do a bunch of Afropop, Afrobeats reviews and reactions. This time around, we are looking at the new record that DJ Tunes put out with Wizkid, AFROBEATS, and Tay Iwar. Okay, it's called Majo. Let's go and check it out. Alright, next record,
Majo,
DJ Tunes,
Majo,
Wizkid,
Majo,
AFROBEATS, Tay Iwar. Let's go.
Majo,
Wizkid is opening the record up. Okay, let's go. Hey, P Prime.
This banga nagbedu.
Hey,
So many girls for the book.
Alpha motherfucking P.
You will not get problem.
Hey.
Say nah, cash see no be problem.
Hey.
This young man she go cause problem. Touch your toes make it solve problem.
Bro, the bass on that drum. What?
Majo, Majo. Me I be champion for this one.
Tay Iwar.
Is you dance.
Hey.
This kind drum never do. Say now one way we dey go. No mind them. Everything that you do. Whoa. You getting
Oh.
money,
Hey.
lose.
Eh?
I'm getting money on a Tuesday.
Eh? Bro, what is this?
Life not judge.
Hey, is this P Prime?
If I tell you say nah, anything for you.
Listen.
Make you wind up.
See, on those scatterground drum rolls I was just talking about on Techno Record, P Prime is dirty out here. Hear those scatterground drum rolls. Are you mad?
I know you're gonna tend to lose.
Ah.
I'm getting money on a Tuesday too. This life not judge.
Hey, let's go.
Majo,
Yo, I love when Wizkid gets into his bare minimum bag, where he does the very least, and it's all you need. Pop City there, let's go. Listen. That's a bop. Okay. Now there's instances here. We don't have so much time, so let me hit the points that I want to pick up on this. One, the simplicity of the record, bare minimum. He's saying Majo the entire point of the hook, and trust me, that works. That absolutely works. Okay, he is literally doing the same shit he did on a record like Sucker. Oh yeah, sucker, like saying the same word over and over again. Repetition is a very, very great tool, and Wizkid is one of the maestros of that tool, bro. When he gets into a pocket where he needs to be repetitive, he knows when to be repetitive. When he needs to be dynamic, he knows when he needs to be dynamic. He left all the dynamic sense for the record to go to the features. It made sense. It made the absolute sense to leave the dynamic or the playful, the more striking moments to go for on the features, and that's what we got from AFROBEATS. Listen to how AFROBEATS came in. By the way, the transitions on this beat, sick, absolutely sick. P Prime bodied the fuck out of this beat. Okay, giving great entrances to every feature. That was great. So how AFROBEATS came in there, scatter his own ground, and then we got Tay, because in my mind I was like, how Tay go enter this record, bro? How Tay go? And then he came, and it was a moment. Okay, it was a blessing to the record. Bro, I want to hear this record again. I think it was a good listen. I think this was a good bop, and the repetition aspect to it is going to make the record move. I think that's something that is easy for Wizkid when it comes to like being a record that just, it's all about the groove, man. And the production has that groove, and Wizkid just does the bare minimum and lets the production do a lot of the work for you. Like, the production already does a lot of the heavy lifting, so that's what it is. He doesn't need much more on the hook, and I like that he didn't do much more on the hook. And then we got into pockets where it was just giving us telephone effects, like, you know what I mean? Bare minimum on this record is all that's needed. It's all that's required, bro. And he knew that. I like when artists know when to delivered the bare minimum. And this was a good example for that because a lot of the heavy lifting was done with production, and I think it was fantastic. But anyway, you guys are 92% yes on it. I feel that. That was dope. That was dope. All right, so that was my opinion. I would love to get to know yours in the comment section. I've been your boy Majo, aka palmwinepapi. Definitely check out the rest of the content on the channel if you're new here. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.